Understanding SHA-256 algorithm, what it is and how it works. Today, let's unlock the power of the SHA-256 algorithm. So, what is SHA-256 used for? SHA-256 plays a crucial role in modern security systems, including secure internet connections, securing websites with TLS and SSL certificates. Blockchain and cryptocurrency, where Bitcoin relies on SHA-256 for mining and transaction verification. Digital signatures that ensure authenticity and integrity of documents. File verification, enabling users to confirm that downloaded files haven't been altered. Password verification, often part of password hashing workflows. Data integrity checks, helping detect unauthorized changes to files or data. But why is SHA-256 considered secure? Its security properties include collision resistance, making it tough to find two different inputs that yield the same hash. Pre-image resistance, where it's nearly impossible to reverse engineer the original input from a hash. Second pre-image resistance, ensuring the difficulty in finding a different input that hashes to the same output. Avalanche effect, where small input changes trigger significantly different outputs. While there are currently no practical attacks that can fully break SHA-256, systems using it can still be compromised through weak passwords, reused credentials, phishing attacks, and malware. It's crucial to safeguard your systems properly. What are the advantages of SHA-256? It offers strong security, wide adoption across industries, consistent output, reliable integrity verification, and long-term trust. However, it's not without its drawbacks, such as higher computational intensity and not being ideal for standalone password storage. Visit our website to learn more. Whatismyip.com